Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the 3D text feature in CapCut. CapCut is a free video editing app that you can download on your phone. With this feature, you can create amazing 3D effects that will make your video stand out and look more professional. So let's dive into it and get started. First, open up the CapCut app. Here, tap on New Project and add your video, and then tap on Add. To add the 3D effect, first let us just add some of the filters to it so it will have a blurry background and our text will be prominent. For that, I'll be using the effects. Go to the video effects, lens, go down to find the blur. Just hit on the stick icon, increase the time frame all the way to the right, and now let's add our text. Here to add the text, just tap on this text icon, tap on add text. Here write your text. And now go to the style and all the way to the right. Here are some of the text examples for a 3D. You can select any one of them and change its color. You can change the shadow. You can also add the glow. But this glow is not looking good, so let's go back to the shadow panel. And from here, let's select the distance. And let's use the darker color. And also let's change the color of this one, of the text. And also the font of this one. Now again, let's change its color. And go to the shadows. Yeah, this looks good. Let's use some of the more darker color of this. Yeah, this one looks perfect. You need to add the blur to the 0. Also the angle is right, the opacity is right as well. Let's add some animation to it. Now tap on the stick icon, and there you go. You can increase its size so it covers all the way to the right. Now to save this text, select your resolution and tap on export. And that's how you use the 3D text feature in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And also let me know what other features or topics you want me to cover in future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below as well. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.